So hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Tracy, and if you're new, a big welcome to you too. If you haven't joined the squad as yet, what are you waiting on? Come on over, honey. Hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification on while you're down there. And if you are loving my look, hit that like button as well. Yes guys, so before we even up into this video, please follow my Instagram, Queenie 4E's 4Eyes, and don't forget to follow our business page as well, Clarks_finest. I'm gonna list them on the screen for y'all. So guys, y'all loving this look? I know y'all saw the thumbnail, that's why you came over here, and it's looking really cute. So if you would love to see how I got this look, just continue watching. So guys, I tried the look. It did not come out how I wanted it to be, so I changed my mind and now I'm starting over. Right here, I'm just going into the Zulu by Juvia's palette, and I'm taking this orange shade right here. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right, cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your back like that, then we gon' hit that gas, make it U-turn 100 miles on the 90, gotta pray to God that we just do not crash. So guys, I'm just gonna do one eye on camera, then I'm gonna go ahead and do the next eye off camera. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take the yellow from that same palette. And I'm just applying that right on top of that orange shade. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go back into the orange and just brighten that back up a little. Now I'm just gonna go into this dark brown shade in the palette, in the same palette guys, and I'm just gonna blend that right below the orange shade. So guys, I'm not gonna go up too much with the brown because I don't want it to cover the orange shade. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take a little Vaseline and using this brush from the Clark's Finest brush set, I'm gonna use this to carve out the middle section. Now I'm gonna go in with the Becky Sue eyeshadow primer, and guys, we have these products on our website. You can go ahead and check it out. As you can see, they work really nice, and you know, it's a primer and it works as a base, so it makes your eyeshadow pop. As you can see, my eyeshadow is looking really pigmented and bright, you know. So this is what I'm using, and guys, we have other colors up there, so just run on over and check it out guys. Clark's Finest. I'll leave a link to the website in the description so y'all can check it out. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use this base to cut out the area that I just carved. You can just apply the product to this brush and just tap it in, and you will get a perfect cut, guys.
Hey, shorty the school to my rocket, I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gonna shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, it's all lie when they know the truth. Hey, it's all cry in the end when she leave and you take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the... What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op?
Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the same brush that I used to blend out the product on my eye and just blend this base in. From the Zulu palette, I'm just gonna go in with this shimmer blue shade. So guys, I'm just going in with this water activated eyeliner, and I am using, and I just sprayed some of my setting spray inside, and I'm just gonna take this brush, also from Beats by Deb, and I'm just gonna use that to draw.
I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, coolin', kicking feet up like a sensei.
Guys, I am sneezing like crazy because my allergy is just bothering me right now. But I went ahead and I applied my Clarke's Finest lashes, and I am wearing the Flairy. So guys, you can go ahead and check us out if you would like to get some of these lashes, okay? The best lash them around town, okay? Okay, so I am done with the eyes. I will apply some shadow to the bottom lashes once I'm done applying my makeup.
Like they bulletproof, just like Paul Pierce, it's all lie when they know the truth. It's all cry in the end when she leave and you take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop.
So guys, this is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you think of my look. Hit that subscribe button and turn your post notification on while you're down there, okay? Yes, make sure you share this video with your friends, your family, and everybody you know. So before you go, make sure that you follow me on all socials. I'm going to leave them on the screen for y'all and in the description bar so you don't miss them. My Instagram is Queenie4E4I, and don't forget to check out our business page, Clarke's_Finest. I'll leave the rest on the screen and in the description bar. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until next time, it's your girl Tracy. I love you guys. Bye.